Good morning, everyone. Just a quick video update here about the ongoing winter weather on Thursday, January 9th at about 9 a.m. Central Time. You'll notice we have a couple bands of heavy snowfall slash sleet, and the profile of the atmosphere is colder than what we are expecting. So some of that snow totals are going to be increased from what we were expecting. Let's just go ahead and dive right into the total forecast. This is kind of the worst case scenario model so far that I've seen. You'll notice Little Rock 17, 18 inches of snow. This isn't gonna happen. 10 inches around Lake Texoma. Ardmore has around a foot. North Texas 9 inches, and then by Dallas you're at 5 inches. OKC about 5. Tulsa about 6.5. Again, that's kind of a worst case scenario. Um, take about half this, and that's probably what you'll see as we go ahead and switch to the GFS model. This is kind of more in line with what we are expecting to see. 6 inches at Ardmore, 7 around McAllister. Um, Little Rock is 8.5. Northern Mississippi around 5. So yeah, about half a foot of snow anywhere in the purple, maybe locally up to 8-10 inches, maybe a foot reported here and there, especially in the mountains in Arkansas. Um, yeah, just kind of a general estimate. Freezing rain. These totals will be a bit lighter than what they are showing, but 10th of an inch. Where that freezing layer is around Dallas. Texas, Arcana, um, Southern Arkansas, Northern Mississippi, Northern Alabama. Um, let's see. This is a H triple R model now. Ignore that message. We're still looking at the same time frame. The HUD again is in pretty much agreement with what the NAM and GFS are saying. So again, 10 locally up to a foot. 6 to 7 inches. Again, this is kind of what's falling through the atmosphere. You'll probably see an inch or two melt off of this, but still a pretty significant snowfall event for this area. All right, that's kind of your Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas update. Let's go ahead and switch to the southeast, and we'll do the more long range models now. The NAM has this on a more northwardly track. So Georgia, no snow. Freezing rain, no. Most of northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, northern Georgia, northern South Carolina, southern Tennessee, all of North Carolina. Um, Having seen about a quarter of an inch of ice. These totals are again a little high for freezing rain, so I have to bring them down a little bit. And again, snowfall, no snow, Tennessee, snow. But I prefer the GFS generally for winter weather. So we'll just go ahead and look at this model. Again, Arkansas, Tennessee, but has snow, but this time the track is more southerly, and northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, northern Georgia. All I can see about 2 to 3 inches of snow. Maybe an inch around Atlanta, Birmingham, if you're lucky. Again, some of it will melt, so take a little bit off of what this model is showing you. And then freezing rain, pretty much a quarter from northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, northern Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. Definitely enough to knock power out. So definitely worth stocking up on non-power spores for a little while. The good news is in the southeast, we are starting more as a winter weather event and transitioning to rain. So it will melt rather quickly. So that's good news. Travel won't be as impacted as long as it is in Oklahoma, Texas, and Arkansas. But it will be impacted momentarily for a few hours. And still have the opportunity for power outages over here in the southeast. Not expecting many power outages in the Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas region. Um, so yeah, this was just a quick and fast update on what we can expect winter weather wise. I'll continue monitoring it. And if it warrants another live tonight, I'll hop on and cover it. But stay tuned to local weather information. The overall trend with the storm in Oklahoma and Texas is an increase, so I'll be monitoring that very closely. Until then, stay warm, stay safe, and have a good day. Bye.